Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to make someone an admin on your Facebook page. Watch me do it. The first thing you have to do is this. I need this tools box. Okay, you come here, see where the arrow is, you click there. When the thing drop down like this, you click here. This place you are seeing, have you seen? Click there. This is your page now. Have you seen that your page? You click on that your page. You switch from profile to page. Then after you do that, you click here again. See where the arrow is? I click there. You come down. Where you see settings and privacy. Because you don't see them. You click there. Then you click on settings. You're on your page now. Look at settings. Click there. You wait. Scroll down. You wait there. Click on page setup. Look at it. Page setup. Click there. After you do that, you click on page access. Click on what? Page access. You click there. Then the next thing you are going to do, give me this thing. Click on this one. Facebook with people with Facebook access. Click there. That add new. Click there. Then you click next. This next you are saying, click it. That you wait. Now look at where we are now. You put the cursor here. Have you seen where that cursor is? Search by name or username. Put the cursor there. Very simple. You just type my name, Victor Agu. You wait. Look at now. Look at the first Victor Agu here. The one you say you didn't see. Me, Baba of this business. You didn't see me. Look at it now. Make this one, Victor Agu businessman, make it the admin of that your page. This is how to do this thing. Very simple. Then you click anyone here. Have you seen? Like this one I show you. Click that one. After that, you click on give access. Have you seen now? Very simple. And when you click, since I cannot proceed from there, you just follow the online screen. You make me an admin. Very simple. I will receive an invite, and that's just it.